Imagine waking up one day to an endless dawn or an eternal night. The songbirds are silent, the sun doesn't budge an inch, and the whole world is suspended in a state of limbo. This might sound like a scene from a science fiction movie, but let's indulge our curiosity and explore what would happen if the Earth stopped rotating. The very thought of Earth ceasing its spin is both intriguing and terrifying. But before delving into the mysteries of an unmoving Earth, let's first consider the unimaginable. What if our planet stopped on a dime? Imagine riding in a car going at 1,000 miles per hour and suddenly slamming on the brakes. This analogy paints a tiny picture of the chaos that would ensue. Newton's first law of motion tells us an object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by an external force. With Earth's sudden stop, everything on its surface, from oceans to the atmosphere, would maintain its rotational speed. Catastrophic global winds and tidal waves would ensue, with areas near the equator facing the most devastating impact. Driven by inertia, the oceans would surge toward the poles, resulting in massive tsunamis and flooding continents. A sudden jolt like this could cause extreme seismic activity, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and more due to the sudden release of Earth's internal energies. The atmosphere, continuing at its original speed, would wreak havoc with unimaginable wind speeds and possibly strip away significant portions of our protective shield. With the immediate perils laid out, let's venture into the longer-term ramifications if Earth gradually ceased its rotation. If Earth ceased its spin, a day wouldn't be 24 hours anymore. Instead, one day would be as long as it takes the Earth to orbit the Sun, roughly 365.25 days. This means one side of the Earth would face the Sun for half of the year, leading to an extremely long day, followed by an equally long, chilling night. The Earth's rotation has a significant influence on our oceans, causing the phenomenon we know as tides. Without Earth's rotation, the tidal bulges caused by the gravitational pull of the Moon would stabilize, creating two massive and permanent tidal bulges on opposite sides of the Earth. The immense difference in temperature between the half of the Earth that's exposed to the Sun for half a year and the half in darkness would lead to wild weather patterns. Blistering heat would generate colossal storms on the sunny side, while the dark side would witness the formation of immense ice sheets. Earth's atmosphere currently circulates in patterns influenced by our planet's spin. Without rotation, these patterns would dramatically change, potentially causing the atmosphere to become thin or non-existent on some parts of the Earth, making those regions uninhabitable. Without Earth's spin, its shape would morph from slightly flattened at the poles to a perfect sphere over time. This change in shape would alter gravitational forces, meaning our weight could vary depending on where we're located. The Earth's rotation contributes to the churning of its molten core, which in turn generates our planet's magnetic field. A non-rotating Earth could weaken this field, exposing our planet to harmful solar radiation and stripping away our protective atmosphere. Believe it or not, Earth's rotation has a subtle impact on the orbits of the Moon and other celestial bodies. Without the gravitational interactions associated with Earth's rotation, our Moon might drift away, and other nearby objects might find their orbits destabilized. While the idea of an Earth without rotation is intriguing, it's a scenario best left to the imagination. The consequences of such an event would be catastrophic, reshaping the very essence of our world. It underscores the delicate balance of our planet's systems and how vital they are for life as we know it. So, the next time you watch a sunrise or feel the ocean's tide, take a moment to appreciate the cosmic dance that keeps our world turning.